Good morning, students. Today we will find the moment of inertia of an elliptic area of mass m and semi-axis A and B about diameter of length 2r. We also find the radius of gyration. Its solution is given by, सपोज ये एक इलिप्टिकल एरिया है जिसकी इक्वेशन है एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 1। यहां पर ए ओ ए डैश इसकी मेजर एक्सिस है, जिसकी जो लंबाई है ये इसकी मेजर एक्सिस है, इसकी लंबाई 2a है, और ये जो बी ओ बी डैश है ये इसकी माइनर एक्सिस है। सपोज इसकी लंबाई कितनी है 2b है। साथ में अपन ये भी एज्यूम करते हैं कि पी ओ पी डैश ये इलिप्टिकल एरिया है, सपोज ये इसका डायमीटर है, तो पी ओ पी डैश इक्वल्स टू 2r। इस डायमीटर की लंबाई 2r अपन को दी हुई है। सपोज ये जो डायमीटर पी ओ पी डैश है ये एक्स एक्सिस के साथ में एंगल थीटा बना रहा है, तो दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस ओ एक्स एक्स डैश एंड वाई ओ वाई डैश इज द वाई एक्सिस। तो नाउ वी हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ दिस elliptical area about the diameter p o p dash which makes an angle theta with the x-axis OX. We know that the moment of inertia of the elliptical area about its major axis A O A dash equals to, this is m b square by 4. Suppose it is A. Suppose it is denoted by A. Similarly, the moment of inertia of the elliptical area about B O B dash, this is m a square by 4. Suppose it is B. Now the product of inertia of the elliptical area about OX OY equals to, this is minus A to A and this is minus B to B. This is rho X, this is rho X Y, this is dx dy. This is the product of inertia of the elliptical area about OX and OY. Suppose it will be 0 or suppose it is f. This is 4. Since the point P r cos theta r sin theta lies on the ellipse, therefore the coordinates of the point P satisfy the given equation So therefore x square is r square cos square theta upon a square plus this is r square sin square theta upon b square equals to 1. This can be written as this is b square cos square theta or plus this is a square sin square theta equals to this is a square b square upon r square. After simplification, this is b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta equals to a square b square upon r square. Suppose this equation is number 5. Now the moment of inertia Now the moment of inertia of the elliptic area about P O P dash equals to, we know that this is a square cos square theta plus b sin square theta, or this is minus f sin 2 theta. This is the formula to find the moment of inertia of the line which makes an angle theta with x-axis. Here a is, this is mb square by 4 cos square theta, or this is b is ma square by 4 sin square theta. Here f is 0, so therefore it is 0. This equals to, this is mb square cos square theta plus mb square, this can be written as m by 4 is common, this is b square cos square theta plus this is a square sin square theta. We know that b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta is, this is m by 4 and it is a square b square upon r square. This is a cos square theta plus b, here a is and b square. This is using fifth. Therefore, this is the required moment of inertia of the given elliptical area about POP dash. Now we have to calculate the radius of gyrations. By the definition of radius of gyration, we know that by the definition of radius of gyration, we have this is m k square equals to I, where m denotes the mass of the body and I denotes the moment of inertia of the body, and k, the quantity k denotes the radius of gyration. So this can be written as, this is k square equals to, this is m upon I. Here moment of inertia is m by 4 a square b square by r square. So therefore putting the value of I, we have this equals to m, value of I is 4 r square upon m a square b square. This is m k square I. So therefore k square into m upon I is 4r. This is m a square b square is this. M is cancelled out. So therefore the moment of inertia equals to this can be written as this is mk square equal to I. K square equals to, sorry, it is K square equal to, this is I upon m. This is I upon m. So this is for K square equals to, putting the value of I, we have this is m a square b square upon, this is 4r square into this is 1 upon m. mk square equal to I, k square to I by m, therefore k square equal to m a square b square 4r square into 1 upon m. M is cancel out. This is m is cancel out. Finally, k square equal to a square b square upon 4r square, and the required radius of gyration is AB upon 2r. This is the required radius of gyration AB upon 2r. Thank you. Have a nice day.